Taper turning on the lathe involves gradually reducing the diameter of a cylindrical workpiece to create a conical or tapered shape, as shown in the images to the right. The cutting tool moves along the workpiece's length at an angle relative to its axis. Securely mount the turning tool into the tool post. Make sure the turning tool is the right height before locking into position. Now for turning, the settings are red, 2, C, make sure you get the chuck key and you rock the spindle while setting those dials, making sure they are securely in position. Now to ensure accuracy when cutting, you need to make sure that the hand wheel dials are both set to 0. Now your 0 point must be at the edge of your work. 25 divisions equals 1 millimeter. So when you move 25 divisions, you are actually moving 1 millimeter when cutting. Make sure that the coolant is running on the tool when in operation. Adjust your tool to a 45-degree angle by loosening this nut here and here, turning it to 45 degrees before locking it back into position. Now set your turning tool into the position as shown. Make sure coolant is running over the tool. Turn the center wheel to the back as shown after zeroing it. And gently and steadily turn to create your desired outcome.